Okay, we're getting so far ahead that now I'll be trying to remove this arch here, or whatever you wanted to call about it. It was spot welded here, down here, and here, and here, on the sideways here and here. It was mostly spot welded, there is no bolts and nuts, and I've been using a hammer and a crowbar to get it off and cut it off from the spot welding parts. And now I think it might just spit off if I just took my hands and give a little push, 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 push. Let's see what happened. It still needs a hammer and a crowbar. Like, here it goes. Right, or left. Almost going. A little bit more. Only takes a minute anymore. And now it's out. This arch contains serial numbers and information when this car was made and where in location this car was made. Here they are, somewhere here. Serial numbers and history of this car. Hep.